4. Sperm whales. The sperm whale, also known as the cachalot Physeter macrocephalus, is the largest of the toothed whales and the largest toothed predator. Here are some key characteristics and facts about sperm whales. Appearance. Sperm whales are easily recognized by their enormous square head and narrow lower jaw. The sperm whale is dark blue-gray or brownish, with white patches on the belly. Habitat. They are found in all deep oceans, from the equator to the edge of the pack. Ice in the Arctic and Antarctic. They are a pelagic mammal with a worldwide range and will migrate seasonally for feeding and breeding. Diet. Sperm whales are deep divers and are known for hunting down giant squid and other prey as deep as 1.9 miles 3 kilometers below the ocean surface. They feed primarily on cephalopods, including the giant squid. Social structure. Females and young males live together in groups, while mature males bulls live solitary lives outside of the mating season. The females cooperate to protect and nurse their young. Size. Mature males average 16 meters 52 feet in length, with the head representing up to 1/3 of the animal's length. Males attain a maximum length of about 24 meters 78.7 feet and weigh up to 50 metric tons 55.1 tons. Females are smaller, usually measuring less than about 14 meters 45.9 feet and weighing less than 25 metric tons 27.6 tons. Conservation status. The species is protected by the International Whaling Commission moratorium and is listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. In captivity. Sperm whales are not usually kept in captivity. Sperm whales are fascinating creatures with a lot to offer in terms of understanding marine life. Their unique characteristics and behaviors make them a subject of interest for many researchers and marine enthusiasts. 5. Beaked whales. Beaked whales, scientifically known as Zoophyida, are a family of cetaceans that are among the least known groups of mammals. Due to their deep sea habitat, reclusive behavior, and apparent low abundance, they are noted for their elongated beaks, somewhat similar to many dolphins. Here are some key characteristics and facts about beaked whales. Physical characteristics. Beaked whales are moderate in size, ranging from 4 to 13 meters 13 to 43 and weighing from 1 to 15 tons 0.98 to 14.76 long tons 1.1 to 16.5 short tons. Their key distinguishing feature is the presence of a beak, somewhat similar to many dolphins. Dentition. In almost all beaked whales, functional teeth are limited to 1 or 2 pairs present only in the lower jaw, and these usually erupt through the gums only in the male. Habitat. Beaked whales can be found in many environments, both rivers, as well as open oceans, and in tropical and polar waters depending on species. Diet. They like to feed largely on fish and squid. Social structure. They're humble little things, keeping mostly to their small groups, and speaking in clicks and grunts, rather than whistles. There are 24 known species of beaked whale. Each species differs greatly in appearance, distribution, and behavior. 6. Beluga whales. The beluga whale, also known as Delphinapterus leucus, is an Arctic and subarctic cetacean. It is one of 2 members of the family Monodontidae, along with the narwhal. Here are some key characteristics and facts about beluga whales. Appearance. Belugas are easily recognizable by their all-white color and the absence of a dorsal fin, which allows them to swim under ice with ease. They possess a distinctive protuberance at the front of their head, which houses an echolocation organ called the melon, which in this species is large and deformable. Habitat. Belugas are found in all deep oceans, from the equator to the edge of the pack. Ice in the Arctic and Antarctic. They are migratory and the majority of groups spend the winter around the Arctic ice cap. When the sea ice melts in summer, they move to warmer river estuaries and coastal areas. Diet. Belugas are opportunistic feeders and their diets vary according to their locations and the season. The majority of belugas live in the Arctic Ocean and the seas and coasts around North America, Russia, and Greenland. Social structure. Belugas are highly social mammals that communicate with a diversified language of clicks, whistles, and clangs. Belugas can also mimic a variety of other sounds. Conservation status: the species is protected by the International Whaling Commission moratorium and is listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Beluga whales are fascinating creatures with a lot to offer in terms of understanding marine life. Their unique characteristics and behaviors make them a subject of interest for many researchers and marine enthusiasts.